good, everybody? It's Vaughn back here. Finished the tune finally, the E60 tune portion. Last video I posted was us finishing up the 93 tune. So I think we finished that up probably Tuesday or so, and he sent me over the virtual dynos for the E60 and 93. So I'll post that up here. You'll be able to see the numbers for the both maps. Also have a Send It tune from him, which I asked for 400 370. So that's what I have on right now. Got some races in last night, so the rest of this video will be races from STI JR tune, full ball tune E85, made 332 411. And then an Audi S4 supercharged. Not sure what it made, but supercharged was loud as hell. And yeah, so you'll see those videos later on here. I'm about to just give you guys a quick little solo pull, getting onto the highway here, just so you guys can hear it. I'll crack the window a little bit. Pulls like a fucking freight train. Ron is the fucking GOAT. That's all I got to say. And enjoy these races I'm about to post. Later, guys.